Hi friends, this is Miss Gilbertson. Today we are going to work on comparing two numbers. How many numbers? We're comparing two numbers using three signs. We could use greater than, less than, or equal to. We need to find out which sign goes in between those two numbers to show which one is bigger, which one is less, or if they're equal. So let's get started. On my first slide, they gave me two numbers. They gave me 54 and 62. So the way I would do this is I would start by finding the number 54 on my hundreds chart. I found it right here. So with that 54, I'm going to now try and find my second number, which is 62. So I'm going to go from 54 and find 62. I get all the way to 62, and I see that I had to go further along, move forward on my hundreds chart, which means my number got bigger. My number got bigger. Good. So when I'm looking at this, would I say 54 is, I don't know what's going to go here yet. 62. Well, we know the alligator eats the bigger number. The alligator eats the bigger number. So my bigger number is 62. I'm going to make my alligator eat the 62. Just like that. Now, when I'm reading it, I would say 54 is less than 62. And if I'm not sure for right now, I can check back up here and it'll tell me. All right, let's move on to the next one. They gave me 73 and 46. So we need to compare these two numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So I find 73 on my hundreds chart. Go ahead, point to it with me. Perfect. Now I need to find 46. Instead of going forward this time, I'm starting to go backward. So I'm moving backward on my hundreds chart. I keep going until I found, boom, there's 46. I found 46 on my hundreds chart, but I had to go back, which means that 73 is my bigger number, right? Because I started with 73 and I had to go backwards to get to 46. So my alligator has to eat the bigger number. Show me with your alligator which number should be getting eaten because it's the bigger number. Good, your alligator should be eating 73 because 73 is the bigger number. When I read this across, I would say 73 is greater than 46. And again, I can check up here just in case I'm not sure. Good. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky because I notice in both of these numbers, there's a 3 in the tens place. So now I need to move over and really pay attention to that ones place. So first I'm going to find 32 on the hundreds chart. Go ahead, you find 32 on the hundreds chart. Point to it. Good. You found it right here. Now find the number 39 on the hundreds chart. Find it and point to it. Good. You found 39 on the hundreds chart right here. Now think, tap your brain. Did you move forward or backward when you found the number 39 from 32? You moved forward. That means that 39 is the bigger number. So show me with your alligator. Which one should the alligator eat because it's bigger? Good, you should have picked 39. 39 is the bigger number, so when I'm reading it from left to right, I would say 32 is less than 39. Good. Let's keep going. Oh, okay. Find the number 45 on the hundreds chart. Point to it. Good, I found it right here too. Now we need to find that number 55 because that's the second number they gave me. I go from 45, find 55. Put your finger on that 55. Good. That number, I went forward, so I know 55 is a bigger number. I know my alligator always eats the bigger number. Good. So go ahead, show me with your alligator. Which number gets eaten? Which one is my bigger number? Good. 55 is my bigger number. So now I want you to whisper to your own hand. How would you say 45 is blank 55? Fill in that blank, whisper it to your hand. Ready, go. Okay, you should have said 45 is less than 55. Good. We have one more. Okay, so first, show me. What's the first thing I should do? What's the first thing I should do? If you said you should find the number 50 on the hundreds chart, you are correct. I find the number 50 on the hundreds chart. Now, what's the next thing I do? Right, I find the number 31 on the hundreds chart. Go ahead, you find the number 31 on the hundreds chart. Excellent. Ask yourself, which is the bigger number, 50 or 31? Which is the bigger number, 50 or 31? The answer is 50. So show me with your alligator, which one should it be eating, the 50 or the 31? Good, your alligator should be eating that 50 because 50 is the bigger number. So now, one more time, I want you to whisper to your hand. Tell your hand how you would say this entire sentence, starting with 50 is, and then finish it off. Ready, go. Good, you should have said 50 is greater than 31. So now you are ready to move on to the exit ticket in the Google Classroom. You are just comparing those two numbers using your alligators. And don't forget to say that sentence in your head every time so you get used to it. Thanks. See you tomorrow.